Hello dear students, today the topic of the class is to understand the equivalent circuit of an op-amp and to understand ideal voltage transfer curve. By the end of the class, you will be understanding how to draw the equivalent circuit of an op-amp and what is its significance and what is the significance of an ideal voltage transfer curve of an op-amp. So, let us start with equivalent circuit of op-amp. The equivalent circuit is useful in analyzing the basic operating principles of op-amp and in observing the effects of feedback arrangements. So, how to draw the equivalent circuit is here. So, as we know, an op-amp is having two input terminals V1 and V2. Voltage at non-inverting input, V2 is the voltage at inverting input, and single output. And to bias the op-amp, we are connecting two DC supply plus VCC and minus VEE. VID is a difference input voltage. VID is equal to V1 minus V2. The internal resistance is Ri, input resistance is Ri, R0 is the output resistance, and there is a voltage source here whose value is A times of VID. So, this is how you draw an equivalent circuit of an op-amp. What is a basic op-amp equation? Basic op-amp equation is the output voltage equation. What is output voltage? A times VID, gain times of VID. A is a large signal voltage gain, VID is the difference input voltage. Now, how to draw the equivalent circuit for an ideal op-amp and practical op-amp. So, in the previous class, we have seen the values of an ideal op-amp, characteristics values. So, there we have understood Ri is ideally infinity. So, here it is shown Ri is infinity. Ri is infinity means open circuit. So, here the Ri is shown as open circuit. What is the ideal R0 value? 0. So, resistance is 0 means it is short circuit. So, here Ri is taken as open circuit and R0 is 0, so it is short circuit. So, this is how we draw an equivalent circuit for an ideal op-amp. So, the same diagram is reflected here for practical op-amp. So, what is practical op-amp means? The Ri value is very large, R0 value is very small. Vi is a input voltage at non-inverting, V2 is a voltage at inverting, Ri is the input resistance, R0 is the output resistance, A VID is the voltage source, and we observe output voltage V0 at the output terminal. So, what is the significance of an equivalent circuit? It is used for analyzing the basic operating principles of op-amp, and coming to feedback configurations, we use this equivalent circuit for deriving input resistance, output resistance equations also. Now, coming to the next topic, ideal voltage transfer curve. What is this ideal voltage transfer curve? Is a graphic representation of the op-amp equation. It is a graphical representation of the op-amp equation. What is op-amp basic equation? V0 is equal to A times of VID. So, the graphical representation of the equation is ideal voltage transfer curve, where V0 is plotted against the input difference voltage VID. So, V0 is on the y axis and VID is on the x axis. So, what is a voltage transfer curve? It is a graphical representation of basic op-amp gain equation, op-amp equation. Why it is known as ideal? Because the offset voltage, output offset voltage is assumed to be 0. What you are understanding from this curve? The curve means, the curve is showing, the graph is showing the output voltage is directly proportional to input voltage VID until it reaches a saturation value. So, on the positive side, positive axis, it is positive saturation, and on the negative axis it is negative saturation. So, V naught is directly proportional to VID till it reaches to saturation value, and then after what happens? The output voltage becomes constant. The curve means output voltage is directly proportional to VID until it reaches the saturation voltage, and then after the output remains constant. I hope you have understood the two topics today. One is equivalent circuit of an op-amp, how to draw it, and what is the significance of an ideal voltage transfer curve and what is its significance. So, I hope now you all can tell what is the basic op-amp equation. V naught is equal to AVID. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, post in comments. Good luck, students.